Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about complete registration process for TCS NQT mass hiring. So in the previous video I have already provided you update related to mass hiring of 2024, 2025, 2026, and first time in the history they are hiring the students which have already been passed out. So this is one wonderful opportunity. So don't miss opportunity and apply as soon as possible. And main thing that I want to tell that make sure to go through video completely before doing the registration, because एक भी problem अगर आपका हुआ then it might affect further. Okay, so let me talk a step by step process how to register. Main thing that I want to tell, if you have already been registered, means if you are 2024 2025 pass out, so I think you are already been registered, and जो 2026 ऑन कैंपस दिए हैं वो भी रजिस्टर्ड होंगे. So for that you have to just click here login and don't need to register. Okay, but if you have the fresh register or fresh candidate, then you have to do the manual fresh registration. तो यहाँ पर जैसे ही अप्लाई ना कीजिएगा then a new window will appear, that is this welcome abroad TCS next step. So now there is two option, register now and login. So if you have already been registered, just click here login and give your credential and just capture and all things. You will be basically means login to the next step portal. Now for fresh candidates you have to click here register now. Now this is important things for TCS NQT. You have to select the category as IT, and for BPS, that is for other, you have to select business process service. But since you are applying for TCS NQT, you have to click here IT information technology category and click here continue. So when you will click here continue, then a new window will appear where you have to give the email ID, and this is for email verification. So kindly use personal email domain addressing for registering. This is very important point, and many candidates fall into this thing that don't register with your college mail ID. आपको personal ID देना होगा. If you are giving the college email ID, then आपको TCS की तरफ से फिर से मेल आएगा to delete that account and re-register. So that is important things I want to tell. Make sure to register with your personal email ID. So after providing personal email ID, I am providing you the next step. So I have given the personal mail ID, then just click here request OTP. Yeah friends, for the security purpose I will hide some detail so you can go through it okay properly. Now I will give the OTP and telling you the next step. Now click here submit OTP. Now email ID verified. So your email ID has been verified. Now click here continue. So when you will click here continue, this is important point, and you have to give your Aadhaar detail. So please the following detail as per Aadhaar for purpose of authentication. So give your Aadhaar number, date of birth, and it should be matching with your Aadhaar number, first name, middle name and last name. Remember friends, first name and last name is mandatory, so you have to give, you can't leave this empty. And after that you have to just click here I agree to the next step services. So ये privacy policy है, just click here OK, and they will use for the hiring purpose too. Now click here continue. Remember other verification में सिर्फ आधार डिटेल आपको देना है, and you can't register or duplicate registration is not allowed. Okay, and you have to give complete details. So I am providing the Aadhaar number last 4 digit. Okay, for information purpose I am just giving any wrong Aadhaar, and you have to basically give the correct detail too. Now date of birth, so you have to select the date of birth. So I'm giving the date of birth. This is not my original date of birth. Okay, so I'm giving the original means date of birth, then first name, middle name and last name. Now I agree to the next step services and click here continue. So it has been continue. Now click here contact and other details. यहाँ पर आपको अपना मोबाइल नंबर देना होगा and nearest TCS office location. Okay, so you have to give your mobile number properly and then nearest TCS office. So what is nearest TCS office? So suppose आप कोलकाता में, कोलकाता दीजिएगा. If you are from Chennai, you have to give Chennai, कोयम्बतूर, दिल्ली, गोवा, गुवाहाटी, कोची, लखनऊ, मुंबई. These are the all लोकेशन बिसाइड द TCS पटना, पुणे एंड ऑल थिंग्स यू कैन गिव. सो जहाँ पर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका टेस्ट हो, सो यू हैव टू गिव अकॉर्डिंगली एंड इट विल बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन द डिटेल. नेक्स्ट इंस्टीट्यूट नेम, यू हैव टू गिव the complete institute name and you have to specifically search here. Okay, if institute name is not there, then you have to contact the TCS support team. So suppose I am searching the institute Academy of Art University, then qualifications. What is your qualification? If you are from BE BTech, then you have to give the BTech. Okay, so choose your qualification. If you are from BCA, otherwise Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology you have to give, that is BTech. So I have chosen the BTech year of pass out. So which year you are pass out? So currently this hiring open for 2024, 2025, 2026. So if you are 2026, you have to click here 2026. Give the captcha here. So I'm giving the captcha, and after that you will get the basically the CTDT ID. So when you will get CTDT ID, you will redirected to new page, and this page will look like this. Okay, यहाँ पे आपका home दिखेगा, application form, and you have to basically give complete details. So application form consists of 4 sections: personal detail, academic and work experience, other detail, form preview and declaration. And please remember that all fields are mandatory to fill unless specified as optional. To save the information you have to save, and you have to just do all the thing. So click here start the application process. So when you will click the start the application process, you have to give personal detail, academic and work experience, means especially for 2024 and 2025 pass out. So do you have any break in studies, and have you done any other courses? These all detail you have to give. And then other details, form preview and declaration, and application form instruction. Okay, so let me give you complete detail. So personal information आपको क्या देना है? Name, first name, middle name, last name. So whatever detail we have provided during the registration, that will already pop up. Then father name देना है, then address, permanent address, and any change done to permanent address. If you have done any changes, then you have to click yes, otherwise no. And what is your present address, then contact detail, and save and continue. So when you will click save and continue, then next window, that is the academic and work experience. इसमें आपको देना है highest qualification detail. So if you have done bachelor, then you have to give bachelor, MCA देना है, and year of passing out. Then graduation details you have to fill. So from which university or college, and specialization is what, course duration कब आपका start हुआ था, कब end हुआ था, whether that is full time or part time. So only full time courses are applicable for TCS NQT. Next, 12th grade detail you have to give, or if you have done diploma, then you have to give the equivalent diploma. Okay, अदरवाइज 12th ग्रेड आपको देना है, एंड गिविंग द इंस्टीट्यूट नेम, बोर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन, स्पेशलाइजेशन क्या था, PCM था या PCB, कोर्स ड्यूरेशन क्या था, मीन्स कब स्टार्ट हुआ था, कब एंड हुआ था, वेदर इट वाज फुल टाइम, एंड ग्रेड यू गॉट, ऑल थिंग्स यू हैव टू गिव. सो टोटल मार्क्स इतना था, मैक्स मीन्स यू ऑब्टेन, एंड मैक्सिमम मार्क्स वाज देयर, एंड यू हैव टू गिव ऑल डिटेल. देन 10th grade. So please note that your 12th grade equivalent diploma details have not been saved. You are required to fill in the detail form. Means अगर आपने सेव नहीं किया हुआ तो that will be give the pop-up. Okay, so and if you have not done diploma, then you have to just click not diploma. Okay, now if you have done any NAN tech and all things, then you have to give all that thing. If you have any work experience, then you have to click here the yes. So do you have any relevant work experience, internship, training, do not count as relevant work experience. मीन्स अगर आपने ट्रेनिंग किया या इंटर्नशिप तो वो आपका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस में नहीं काउंट होगा. अगर आपने कहीं फुल टाइम काम कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली 2024 एंड 2025, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक हियर यस, एंड यू हैव टू गिव द वर्क एक्सपीरियंस बाय क्लिकिंग हियर ऐड द वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. नेम ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर, एम्प्लॉय ID, डिजिनेशन, स्टार्ट एंड एंड डेट, ऑल डेट you have to give. Okay, and then last declaration. So you have to mandatory do or give the declaration that yeah, I am providing all the detail correctly. Then you have to give the other detail. So you have to upload photo, CV. Okay, and if you have not uploaded your photo, CV before 16 September, then edit the form. Means you have to edit the form. Okay, and this photo will be used for your TCS identity card or TCS ID card. So first name you want to display, blood group is what, upload photo, and photo should be recent passport size photograph, and dimension आपका 35 mm to 35 mm होना चाहिए, and resolution 300 ppi. Format which is acceptable is JPG and JPG, and maximum 1 MB allowed. कुछ फ़ोटो से रिलेटेड बात गया, मीन्स बोला गया, यू हैव टू बी kept in mind, and because your form either be rejected. So photograph must be in a formal with white or off white background. Means it should have white background, a white cloths with white background, shoulder should be clearly visible, and both area and all things should be things. Don't upload selfies or informal photo, they have clearly mentioned. So for uploading that, just click here upload, and it will be uploaded, and click here I agree. Next important, you have to upload the CV, and CV should be latest updated. You have to give all the details, certification or any things you have done, because this will be used in further hiring process. So आप CV को अच्छे से रिवाइज करके अपलोड कीजिएगा. ओके, आई विल मेक अ डेडिकेटेड वीडियो ऑन CV सून. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन वेट इफ़ यू वांट, एंड डोंट अप्लाई इन अ हेस्ट. जल्दी जल्दी में अप्लाई नहीं कीजिए. टेक प्रॉपर टाइम, एंड आई विल सजेस्ट अप्लाई एट द नाइट, बिकॉज एट दैट सर्वर TCS का सही रहता है, क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में बहुत लोग अप्लाई करते हैं, सो यू माइट गेट स्टक एट सम प्लेसेस. सो दिस इज जस्ट पर्सनल एडवाइस, ऐसा नहीं हमेशा रहता है, बट यू कैन follow that. Okay, next important, form preview and declaration. So you have to basically preview the form and all things, and you have to just declare I agree term and condition and location from where you are applying the form, and just you have to click submit or apply for drive. So when you will click apply for drive, then this will save so here. Okay, so apply for TCS recruitment drive. So यहाँ पर आपको एक important changes आया कि you have to select the skill that सिलेक्ट द स्किल ऑन विच यू विश टू बी एवेल्युएटेड. मीन्स जब आपका इंटरव्यू हो या कुछ और हो, तो आप किस में एवेल्युएटेड करना चाहते हैं. अगर आपने कोर जावा किया है तो यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट कोर जावा, C++, क्लाउड, AWS, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, डेटा साइंस. सो सपोज दिस कैंडिडेट इज interested or have a good knowledge in core java, then you will select the core java. If you have done the VLSI, Salesforce, ServiceNow, then you have to click here that things. अगर ये सब में आपका किसी का नहीं है, just you can click here strong understanding of core concept and subject knowledge. So since students have done the core java, so you will select core java. Now select the preference 3 test center. 3 टेस्ट सेंटर आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. सिलेक्ट क्लिक हियर टू सिलेक्ट टेस्ट सेंटर 1. सो डिस्ट्रिक्ट पहले आपको सिलेक्ट करना है, सॉरी स्टेट सिलेक्ट करना है, देन डिस्ट्रिक्ट आपको शुरू करना है. ओके, सो मध्य प्रदेश उज्जैन का है, कोल्हापुर एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र पुणे, यू कैन सिलेक्ट महाराष्ट्र पुणे. क्लिक हियर ओके, देन सेकेंड टेस्ट सेंटर एंड ऑल थिंग्स. And preferred job location, this is very important. Before selecting the preferred job location, you have to ask your parents, or you can basically think twice before choosing any job location, like the nearest to home or not, or growth opportunity and all things. You have to basically analyze properly, and you have to select the preferred job location. Suppose I'm choosing Kolkata, Hyderabad and Delhi. So according to your choice, you have to select and just click here apply for recruitment drive. So when you will click apply for recruitment drive, and you can go to track my application, here it will show applied for drive. So this is the complete step-by-step process for application. I hope now your doubt is clear, and make sure to apply before the deadline. And deadline I have already told you, that is on 10th March 2026. Okay, so registration end date 20 March, and 10th March से आपका भाई एग्जाम होगा. सॉरी फॉर दैट, and best of luck to all the candidates who are preparing for the NQT. Lots of important video I am gonna provide you in this channel, so you can subscribe us. Meet you in the next important video. Thank you.